Next up on the agenda, I'm going to show you how you can search in your chats. We're using the mobile version again, and if you click these little dots or lines, click search chat, and then you can type a word in here to look for whatever it is you're looking for. I typed, oh, that didn't work. Let's try again. Well, here we are. So now that we are in the chat with the word that I typed in, you can see that I have a few different chats to choose from. It's a lot easier to see this function on the actual desktop. However, I just wanted to show you really quickly how you could use your search function to find the chats with one word, keyword, looking for, and through your chats. I'm not very good at organization. It is good for me to be able to come in here and use that search chat function.